friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Many of us make ghee from the malai collected from the milk. We store it, churn it, make butter out of it, then make ghee. It's a tedious process. What I do, I take the collected malai and put it in the kadai straight and heat it up to get the ghee. I have a dual purpose for this. Why do I make this? I get chena out of it. When I say chena, it is the milk solids which are used in many of the Indian delicacies. So when I make ghee from malai straight, I get ghee plus chena. What do I do the chena with? I make the stuffing for many of the pitas with this. What pitas use the stuffing from chena? Enduri pita, manda pita, khakra pita and podo pita, or my husband uses it as a side even while eating roti or dosa. So let's get started and see how to make ghee and chena from malai. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.